Good morning, YouTube. Well, I got something here in the mail, and I figured I'd share it with you. Got these off of Craigslist. Blah. The ad said assorted machinist tools, and the price was right, so I sent the fellow a money order, and he sent me the tools here, and we're gonna look through them and see what I got. I've already opened it just to make sure nothing was busted up, but I haven't really gone through these too well, so you get to see what I see. See here, we got a clamp, machinist clamp. Looks like a homemade one. I don't see any name on it, but that's good to have. What's this? We got a pack here. Oh, there we go. That's a set of radius gauges. Looks like a full set too. I don't see any missing. Looks like it goes up to half and down to 1/32. Who makes these? The Lufkin Roll Company, Saginaw, Michigan, made in USA. That there is probably worth what I paid for all this, so I'm happy already. You got a micrometer here. It's also a Lufkin. 0 to 1. Feels pretty good. That's a nice thing. What do we got here? A little box. Is it an indicator? It says Gladwin indicator. No, it's not. Not what is on the outside of the box. Looks like tool bits. There's a round one. Looks like a carbide tool bit. Let's see, what does it say here? P&W, Hartford, Connecticut, 1/2 inch, all purpose, H10 TC. I'm not sure what a round bit like this would be for. Some kind of turning tool, I'm guessing. There's a square bit. This looks like a box full of assorted turning bits. Looks like maybe a little boring bar here. I'm not sure. Very small boring bar, maybe. And some type of collar there, and an Allen set. I think the rest of this is pretty much tool bits, and looks like some assorted screws and assorted little hex screws and tool bits. It's about all that's in that box. Okay, next box. Probably not chocolate. Let's see here. Looks like we got a tool bit here. Momax Cobalt, Cleveland, 3/8. And looks like we got a center drill, dual, and a ball end mill, double-ended. Or a round end mill, normal end mill, and that's a 6.2 it says. Yeah, there we go, 3/16. Weldon 3/16. Looks like the rest of this box is taps. Let's see what we got here. Union, R&W, What's this one? Not sure what that one is. See a couple of unions. There's a very fine thread one. Not sure of the maker on that. What's this other big one here? That's a Glenfield. Looks like a couple of the smaller ones are Glenfields too. Some nice stuff in that box. Here's a box that says Starrett jack screw complete. And it actually is. See, we got the cone top here. Looks like it could use a little cleaning up. There's the V-block one. I need to get used to where the lens is on this camera. There's the actual jack screw with the topper on it. Two little stanchions. I guess it does fit together. And looks like we don't have the little turning rod for it. There's the other top. Nice. Like I said, Starrett jack screw S191. The only thing we seem to be missing is a little turning rod for it. Maybe it's in the box here somewhere. Let's see. We got a set of Allen screwdrivers, ball end, down to, what is it? What's the smallest one here? Smallest one is 050. 0.050 it says, and up to 5/16? Yeah, 5/16 to 050. And looks like they're all there. Here, let's a little wider frame here. Pretty nice little set. There's another tap. That's a union. Half-inch, half 20. All these taps look good and sharp. Doesn't look like they've been used much. Here's something in a long tube. That's another tap. Real long one. What's the label say? Plug pulley tap. 3816 National Course. Another little box here. I don't think it's cup hooks. More little tool bits. Looks like pieces of carbide. And I've got a bunch of these little... There's a bunch of these little things. Not really sure what they are. And there's a bunch of... Looks like chunks of carbide in here. One there. One there. I think it's carbide steel. That's about all that's in there. There's a bunch of these little things and a bunch of different shaped chunks of carbide. And one crazy looking washer. Looks like a lock type washer or something, some type. No, that's that box. Grab the next box. This is Lufkin ball attachments for micrometers. Somehow I don't think that's what it is. Might be though. Nope. These are dies. Let's see, we got a handy 1824 Ace 1032. Just say Bay State 1032. Great big Hansen split die 3/8/16. Another big one here. Threadwell half 20. Put those big ones back in the box here. We got a couple more small ones here. Got another Bay State quarter 26 and a handy 3/8/16. That's the last one in there. Okay. All pretty good looking dies. Let's see what else is in here. Piece of steel. Looks just like a piece of bar stock. It might have been ground, I'm not sure. There's a parallel there. Looks like only one though. I can use one parallel. Flexible coupling. Rubber coupling for something. Motor coupling. Okay. That looks like a homemade set of parallels. Yeah, those have been ground. Huh. One of them says jig bore. So I'm guessing whoever had these had a jig bore. Nice set of homemade parallels. I'll definitely make use of them. What's in this bag? Looks like some tool bits. Pair of machine metal pieces here. We'll take a look at these. Those are all just tool bits in there. One little collar. What are these? I'm not sure. There's two of them. Maybe for holding something? Pair of jaws for something? Not sure. Not sure on that. If anybody knows what they are, put it in the comments. Okay, some little round thing here. And it says Thomas ball bushing. I don't know what a ball bushing is. Obviously this thing, but I don't know what it's for. I'm not going to speculate on that one either. Okay. Oh, here we go. Like a handful of reamers. Fairly sharp ones. We got 7/30 seconds. (9/30 seconds). We got another long tap here. Looks like somebody made this one though. What do we got other reamers here? That is oh, I can't read that one. Sharp reamer. No nicks or wear in the teeth. This one looks like it's carbide on the end. And it is the Cleveland. This is the Cleveland Twist Drill Company, 7/16. Let me put some of these down. Let's see here. There is no markings on that one whatsoever. This one's a .4360 A2. No maker mark on it. This one is a 13/30 seconds. Besley, USA. This one's a little rusty on the bottom, but the reamer looks okay. And it is 5/16. Got some magnetic socket inserts, which that's actually what's in there. Craftsman magnetic socket inserts. Couple more taps. TRW, another Greenfield. It's like a coarser one there. Set of retaining ring pliers. It's like a homemade V-block of some sort. Couple of little dividers. Let's see if there's any name on these. Something on the screw here. It says it's Schoner, Germany. SCHOENNER, Schoner, Germany. And this one says the same. Got a big Allen key. Something in a... Let's see, this says it's an adjustable reamer. And it looks like it is. Yep. Says high-speed quick set adjustable reamer. 1 letter 8A, quarter to 9/30 seconds. Cleveland Twist Drill Company. Okay. Last bag of stuff. Whoop. And there's a hole in it. It looks like a rod. It's a marked rod. It says .2502 to 2500 quarter. Not sure what it is. Looks like there's a bunch of these. don't know. I don't know on this one. Maybe there's a machinist out there that can tell me what they are. It looks like they're... I don't know. Not sure. There's quite a few of them in here though. This one says 1330 seconds HSU. Maybe they're a round tool blank? Tool steel blank? This one has a flat in it. Right there. I don't know. Don't know what they are. See how many of them there are in here. Quite a few. Quite a pile of them there. All different sizes. Someone knows what they are, tell me. Put them back in the box. That was the last thing out of the box here, the last bag out of the box. Looks like a piloted mill of some sort, a ream. Got looks like a half-inch mill. Couple of small rods. Maybe this is what they use to turn them jack screw with. There's two of these. Looks like another piloted reamer. And a deburring tool, countersink of some sort. This is homemade. It says 60 degree on there. Started out as a 7/16 end mill, I think. It says Putnam 7/16 high speed. But that's the box. I tell you what, I think I got my money out of it. I do some good deals on Craigslist sometimes. I figured I'd share. I'm not going to tell you exactly how much I paid, but it was under $100. So, that's my goodie box from Craigslist. Hope you enjoyed it. If anybody knows what the things are that I don't know what they are, leave a message in the comments. And we'll talk to you later.